Hey guys, this is Myanmar and welcome back to our channel Ampnics. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to use different sizes of tracks in PCB layout. So, as we can see, like if you want to make the track of our PCB for connecting the components together, so we will find only the default value of KiCAD. So, which we don't like. I mean, the input voltage is carrying a lot of current. Okay, so as for that, the current handling capacity of thinner layout is not capable. So for doing that, we have to go in file and then we have to select the board setup. Then we will select go in predefined sizes. We will click here add and we will write the tracks which we need, zero point 0.5 mm and 1 mm. Okay, so in this way you can add the different sizes. Okay, as of now I need only these two values, so I will hit OK. All right, so now we will start making our layout. So for selecting the different size of track, you have to click here and you can make the tracks now. And sometimes it is not necessary that everywhere you should use the thick tracks, because you see like we are using here a LED, so for LED it is not required that much thick track. Alright, so guys, as you can see, in this way you can use the different sizes of tracks in your PCBs.